Good day to all the dear students. Chapter number 17, Circle, Circumference and Area. This is part 4 in which I am explaining you some questions of exercise 17b. Students, to understand the question properly, you have to read the question thoroughly from your textbook, and then let us start question number 11 of exercise 17b. In this question, the radius of the circular field is 20 meter. So here we are given radius 20 meter. Then inside it runs a path 5 meter wide all around. So see students, there is a circular field and there is a path inside it whose width is given 5 meter. So like this, another circle inside it, and this is 5 meter path given to us, and the radius of the outer circle, this is 20 meter given to us. Okay, so find the area of the path. What we want? We want this area which is shaded here. I am shading this part. We want to find area of this shaded part. Now for that, students, we have to take first outer circle area and then we subtract the inner circle area. Then we get this area of the path. Now बाहर का जो सर्कल है उसका रेडियस हमें ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. So let me write RO, that is outer radius 20 meter. So how do we find this inner radius? So RI we find by taking 20 meter minus 5 meter. So I get 15 meter, that is the inner radius. अंदर के सर्कल का जो रेडियस है ये वो होगा 15 meter. How do we get that? By taking subtraction of 20 minus 5. Now what I told you that first of all I find outer area, that is pi r o square. For that, now 22 by 7, radius is 20 into 20. Okay, so let us calculate it. Or if I want to keep this pi as it is, you can keep. At last you can also take it as 22 by 7. Now here 400 into 22 divided by 7. So here 8800 divided by 7 meter square. This is our outer area. Now let us find inner area, that is AI, by using inner radius. So pi RI square. So here 22 by 7, 15 multiply 15. So by calculation, this 15 into 15, 225 divided by 7. Now we find area of this path. Area of path which is asked in the question. So for that, what we do? Outer area minus inner area. So let us find this value first. So here I get my answer of 22 multiply 225 is 4950 by 7 in meter square. Now to find the area of path, as I told you, outer area of circle minus inner area of circle. So by subtraction of the first area minus the second area, we get 3850 divided by 7, and by calculation I get 550 meter square, which is our final answer of question number 11, area of path, which they asked to find out. So this is the final answer here. Now taking question number 12. So in this question, students, a road 3.5 meter wide surrounds a circular plot. So here one circular plot is given to us like this, and around it there is a road. So here one road which is surrounding our circular field, or you can say plot. Now the width of it is given 3.5 meter. This is given 3.5 meter. Also the circumference of the inner circle, or you can say the plot, is given here 44 meter. So find the cost of paving the road at rupees 10 per meter square. So what we want to find? we want first of all the area of this circular path, and then we find its cost of paving the road. So now for that, students, we need the radius. We are not knowing any radius, only I know the circumference of the plot here. So using our formula 2 pi r, we first calculate its radius. So here 22 by 7 into r is equal to 44. Therefore, radius is equal to 44 into 7 upon 44. 44 get cancelled. So r value is 7 meters. It means the circular plot which is inside, this is the inner circle, whose radius is here 7 meter, which I found. Also, we are given this path, or you can say the road, whose width is 3.5. So this is the inner radius. Now outer radius we want to find by adding this 3.5 to 7. This is 7 and this is 3.5. So outer radius we find by adding them as 10.5 meter. Now we find the area, outer area minus inner area. So outer area is equal to pi radius outer square. So that is 22 by 7 into 105 by 10 into 105 by 10. This is 7 ones are 7 5s are, then 5 3s are, 5 2s are, 2 11s are, and now we calculate it to get our answer in point. Also we find area inner, that is inner circle area, that we find out using same formula, but we have to use inner radius. So here 22 by 7 into 7 multiply 7. So that I get 154 meters square. That is the inner area I found here. So as you can see, I got A0, that is outer area of the circle is 346.5 meters square, and this is the inner area already found. Now here I want area of road. For that I take outer area minus inner area, and the subtraction of the values we get here, that is 192.5 meters square. Now we want to find the cost of paving the road. For that I take cost is equal to, what is the cost given to us in the question, that is 1 meter square is rupees 10. So 192.5 multiply 10. So I get rupees 1925, which is our final answer. The cost of paving the road at the rate of rupees 10. So this is question number 12 here. Now question number 13 of exercise 17b. In this, a lawn is in the shape of semicircle of diameter 35 decimeter. So this is the semicircle given to us, whose diameter is given to us, that is 35 dm. So this is given 35, not meter, dm, decimeter. Okay. Now the lawn is surrounded by a flower bed of width 3.5 dm all around. Means here like this there is a flower bed. So it is surrounded all over, right? And its width is given to us in the question. This way it is surrounded, and the width is given here, that is 3.5 meter dm, decimeter again. Now, so what the question is that find the area of the flower bed in dm square only. So now students, to get this area of the flower bed, first of all we have to calculate the radius of inner semicircle, that is radius is equal to 35 by 2 dm. Right, this is the diameter given, so this is the radius, this much part. Now to find the outer radius. This is actually inner radius. Now outer radius will be 35 by 2 means it is 17.5, right? Plus 3.5. We add this 3.5 to get our outer radius. So that we get 21 dm. Okay, this is inner is 17.5 dm and the outer is 21 dm. Now we calculate the area of this flower bed. So for that, first of all, we have to calculate only the half circle. This is the half circle. We have to find out the area. This is not the full circle here. Question number 13, students, here. This is the lawn here I have drawn in the semicircle shape whose diameter is given to us 35 dm. Right? Now the lawn is surrounded by a flower bed and whose width is given 3.5 dm all round. So we want to find the area of the flower bed. This is this part of the flower bed which I am shading with red color. So we want to find the area of this shaded part. So for that, students, first of all I need to find the inner radius. This is a diameter given to us. So I found first inner radius, that is 35 by 2 decimeter. This is 17.5 dm. Now we want the outer radius also. So for that, this is the inner radius 17.5. If I need outer radius, I need to add this 3.5 to it. So I get outer radius 21 decimeter. Now we will find first inner area of the semicircle and then find the outer area of the semicircle. For that, the full circle area formula is pi r square and inner area of the semicircle is pi r I square by 2. Why ri? Because inner radius, right? Now substitute the values here. 22 by 7, 17.5 2 times, divide by 2. So I cancelled it and get my answer as area of inner radius, that is inner, this part is 481.25 dm square. Then we find outer area of this semicircle by using our outer radius. So the formula is here pi r o square by 2. So now pi value is 22 by 7. Outer radius is 21, multiply 21 divided by 2. Now cancelling it, I get answer as 693 decimeter square. So now we get both the areas here, the inner area and the outer area. Now to get this shaded region area, I have to take subtraction of outer minus inner. For that, area of flower bed is equal to area outer minus area inner. And by subtraction, we get our final answer of area of flower bed, which is 211.75 decimeter. So this way completed our question number 13. Let us take question number 14. In this question, a road which is 7 meter wide surround a circular park. So this is the circular park, suppose, and there is a road around it. So this way I am drawing a road around it, whose width is given to us, which is 7 meters. So this road is of 7 meters. Now the circular park is given to us and its circumference is given as 352 meters. So circumference of inner circle is 352 meters. Find the surface area of the road. It means we want to find the area of this part which is shaded here. So now we will find area of this part which is the road here. So now students, for that, first of all we need to get here the radius, inner radius of the circle, that is the park here. So first of all, using our circumference formula, I get my radius. So 2 into 22 by 7 multiply r value we want to find out. So here r is equal to 352 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. So I cancel it by 2. 2 1s are, 2 7s are, 2 6 are. Again by 2. So 2 11s are here and here 88 11 8s are. It means we get here r value as 8 7s are 56 meters. So this is the radius I found here, which is 56 meter of the inner part. Now we find outer radius also. Now you understand the method now, students, that inner radius is found. The work is to get our outer radius, which is by adding 56 plus 7, the width of the road we will add to the inner radius. So here we get 63 meter outer radius. Now what we have to do to get this area? We have to take inner area and outer area and then we separate them to get our answer, that is the road area. Now students, as I explained you, first of all I found here inner area by taking inner radius pi r I square. So by calculation I get 22 multiply 56 multiply 8. I think you can multiply it by yourself and get your inner area of this park. And outer area also same way, but taking the outer radius 63 and 63, you can find outer area. And now we want to find the area of road. So to get our area of road, I have to take outer area minus inner area. Now the method is very clear to you. So you get this value, substitute here, take the subtraction and get your answer. This is the practice question for all of you. Now method is very clear. Whenever this type of questions come, in which you are given some circular field, park or some other, and some road or track, path, whatever it is given, outside it, inside it, you must understand, reading the question, that what you have to do, what you are given in the question, whether it is radius given to you or not, you have to find. See here, in this question, circumference is given to you. So from the formula of circumference, we get the radius, that is the radius of inner circle. And then using it, I get my outer radius also. And the next, we can get anything you want. So these are the questions. You have to read the question thoroughly and understand it. Now question number 15. Here the shaded area, here figure is given to us. So let us draw the figure first here. One circle, outer circle, and the another is inner circle given to us, students. So this way in the question number 15, two circles are drawn. Now another is the between the circumferences of two concentric circles. These are the concentric circle. The circles having same center is called concentric circles. And the difference of this circumferences of two concentric circles is given 346.5 centimeter square, this part here. So this is the circumference first and this is the another circumference. In between part is given to us. So this is the part whose area is given to us as 346.5 centimeter square. The circumference of the inner circle is 88 centimeter. So in the question, CI, inner circumference is 88 centimeter. Calculate the radius of the outer circle. So we want to find here outer radius here. For that, what another thing we are given? This is the path we are given. Okay. So the shaded region area is given to us in the question. Shaded region area is equal to, given to us in the question is 346.5 centimeter square. Now, from the inner circumference, first of all, we find the radius of inner circle. So, I substitute direct here formula. You see 2 pi Ri is equal to 88. So, 222 by 7 to Ri, inner radius is 88. So, inner radius is equal to 88 into 7 divided by 22 2s are 44 2s are. So, Ri is 7 2s are 14 centimeters. Right? So, by getting this 14 centimeters here, we get this inner radius first. Now, to get our outer radius, we want outer radius. So, students, first of all, we found here inner radius. Now, using this inner radius, I found here inner area. This is the inner area of the circle. Using our inner radius pi Ri square. So, I substitute value 22 by 7 multiplied. The radius is 14 multiply 14. So, I get 616 centimeter square as our inner area. Now, already we are given in the question the shaded region area. This is the shaded region area 346.5 centimeter square. So, now what the thing is that this area is nothing but outer area of circle minus inner area of the circle. So, using that thing here, that concept I have used here, this area of shaded region is equal to outer area minus inner area. But students, outer area we don't know because we don't know the outer radius that we want to find out. So, I used here my shaded region part area and inner area, that is 616. Now, I take this 616 on other side, it become plus. So, I get area outer, or you can say outer area of the circle is by adding 346.5 and 616 as 962.5 centimeter square. So, once we get this outer area, we can find out outer radius also. So, here you see, I substitute formula here, outer area is equal to pi Ro square. Now, kept the value here, I removed the point and kept 10 in denominator and here 22 by 7. So, now taking the things on other side, I get Ro square as 1925 multiply 7, that is 13,475 and 22 2s are 44 here. So, I take the division of this, I get 306.25 and the outer radius I found finally as 17.5 centimeters. This is in centimeters. So, this is our final answer. What they asked to get, outer radius of the circle, that is 17.5 centimeters. So, here in this question, students, we are given 3 circles. First circle radius is 3.5 centimeter. Second circle radius is 7 centimeter. And third circle radius we want to find out. It is given in the question that these are 3 concentric circles. It means having same center, 3 circles are drawn here. So, now I have written here first radius, second radius and third radius we want to find out. Also, one more thing given to us that area enclosed means ये जो first और second circle है उसके बीच का area equal होगा second और third circle के बीच के area के जितना. So, this is the fact we are going to use to get our third radius. For that, students, first of all, I find out how much area is there between first and second circles. So, that for that I take area 1, that is pi R1 square. So, it's equal to 22 by 7. Then 3.5 I take as 35 by 10, 35 by 10. So, solving this, I get here as 11 multiply 35 by 10. So that is 38.5 centimeter square. This is our first area found. So now after this we get our second area. For that I write A2 pi r2 square and substituting values 22 by 7. R2 is 7 into 7. So I get 154 centimeter square. Now to get this in between area, what I take? A dash is equal to A2 minus A1. हमें करना पड़ेगा outer area minus inner area. So 154.38.5 minus 38.5. So we calculate this first. So now students, you can see here that I got my area 2, that is 154 centimeter square. Now जो A2 और A1 का सब्ट्रैक्शन करके आंसर आएगा उसको मैंने ले लिया है A dash, which is this area, blue color area. So उसके लिए A2 minus A1 किया है जो कि है 154 minus 38.5, which answer is 115.5 centimeter square. अब मैंने यहाँ लिखा है A dash is equal to A double dash. So A dash is this blue portion and A double dash is this red and blue color between portion. Okay, means third circle और second circle के बीच का जो part है उसका area मैंने लिखा है as A double dash. And this thing you are given in the question कि जो ये फर्स्ट और सेकेंड सर्कल के बीच का एरिया है वो और सेकेंड और थर्ड सर्कल के बीच का एरिया सेम रहेगा. तो हियर नाउ आई एम टेकिंग A डबल डैश. सो A डबल डैश मिलेगा हमको A3 एरिया 3 माइनस एरिया 2. एरिया ऑफ दिस इन मिडल पार्ट वी हैव ऑलरेडी फाउंड, दैट इज A डैश 115.5 is equal to the area formula for third circle is pi r3 square minus this is 154. So pi r3 square is equal to 115.5 plus 154. By taking this 154 on other side I get plus, and by addition we get 269.5. Now to get r3 square, that is the third radius, we have to take this calculation and then take square root to get our r3 value. So students, this calculation you have to do by yourself and also get your third radius of the circle.